President. Thank you for receiving me. Such a pleasure to be in Nairobi. Glad to meet you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It's not your first time in Nairobi?
Yes, it is. First time in Kenya.
Wow. Welcome.
Very happy. I was hoping to come some years ago.
Yes.
We could not make dates.
Yes.
Today I'm here.
Wonderful.
Such a beautiful day.
Awesome. So, you got in yesterday?
Yes, I got in very early yesterday morning.
Yes.
That's right, from Cape Town. And arrived and...
Let me introduce you. This is my deputy,
How do you do?
Rigathi Gachagua, the Deputy President, our Prime Cabinet Secretary,
How do you do?
Minister for Foreign Affairs,
How do you do? Speak again.
Attorney General,
How do you do?
Head of Public Service,
How do you do?
Minister for Public Service,
Hello.
Minister for Environment, Climate Change, Minister for Land,
How do you do?
Fellow ICT,
Yes, we just been in the car together.
Minister for Trade,
Hi.
our Principal Secretary for Foreign Affairs. This is the chief of this place.
Hi.
Yes.
This is my foreign minister.
Hello, how are you? Thank you very much and welcome to Nairobi.
This is my senior minister of state.
Okay, thank you very much and welcome to Nairobi.
This is my senior minister of state too. President, thank you for
Thank you very much and welcome.
And my members of parliament.
How are you? Very good.
Vikram and Mariam Jaffa.
Mariam, how are you? Thank you.
This is Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Law.
Okay. Hello, how are you? Very good.
This is my Principal Private Secretary.
Hello, how are you? Very good. Welcome to Nairobi.
My Press Secretary.
Good morning. Welcome to Nairobi.
My officer from the Foreign Ministry.
Okay. Welcome to Kenya. Thank you. Excellency, welcome.
Beautiful building. Same like us. Inherited from the British. Front of the building.
Okay. Welcome to Nairobi again.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How are you, madam? Got a bit of rain.
Yes.
It's a good sign for us. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, sorry.